vlog. Ay, palayo mo yan.
Tabunan siya.
Bye-bye. Magalaw ayun. Clark, ni bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ay, please subscribe.
What's up, queens? It's your girl Jana. Welcome back to another cringy and boring vlog. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below for more YouTube requests. Thanks. Love lots. For today's video, I went on a date with my friends. We just enjoyed the night with food, drinks, movies, and many memories that we have captured. Having a solid group of friends is something every girl needs in her life, because as we get older, it becomes harder to keep in touch with all our friends like we used to. But that doesn't mean we should let all our friendships fade away. The best friendships are the ones that evolve along with us. While we all need friends who can relate to the things we go through on a daily basis, my group of friends are really rare treasures for me, and finding someone who understands you completely like a best friend is not common. So if you have a best friend or group of friends, cherish them and always let them feel that they're special and very important in your life. Sorry for this very short commercial, but I just love the glass window and felt dancing. Our next agenda was to make an imprint of our hands using paint and then smudging it on a piece of cardboard. And the end product will be a symbol and treasure of our friendship. It was kinda cute and fun because it brought back memories when I was in grade school. But we just enjoyed it like a little kid. It was quite sad because we were not complete during that time, but
Come on, sir! Hi! Oh, video! Yes, video.
no matter what, how the difficult or hard the situation gets, they are by your side and they put their trust in your instincts. They will try to motivate you when you're in doubt or when you can't feel the energy to put up with something. They are your true friends because they want to see you shining and doing the best in your life. They tell us about our strengths and motivate us always. Your group of friends accepts you the way you are. They never judge you on anything you do. Personal space is never an issue. You both respect each other's tantrums and handle them nicely. That's why we should really treasure and love them as always. And to end the night, we watch a horror movie to enlighten our minds a bit. This was really a memorable experience for me, and I hope in the near future we would recreate this weird stuffs that we made. Even though we have our own strengths and weaknesses, they will be always a treasure in my heart. Thanks for watching, queens. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below for any YouTube content. Thanks, love lots.
Guys, please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!
Bye! Subscribe.
Asawa ko si Teyong. Bye.